Hello students, welcome in Advait Education channel. Today we are going to solve practice set 29. Practice set 29 is based on the unitary method. Unitary method means find the cost of one article from the many by division. अगर कॉस्ट ऑफ वन आर्टिकल फ्रॉम द मेनी, अगर आपको एक आर्टिकल की कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करनी है और मेनी आर्टिकल्स की कॉस्ट दी है तो आपको डिवीजन करनी पड़ेगी. द फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ मेनी आर्टिकल फ्रॉम वन, अगर एक आर्टिकल की कॉस्ट दी है और मेनी आर्टिकल्स की निकालनी है तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. एंड दिस मेथड ऑफ सॉल्विंग अ प्रॉब्लम इज कॉल्ड एज अ यूनिटरी मेथड, और इस मेथड को हम यूनिटरी मेथड बोलते हैं. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग. इफ 20 मीटर ऑफ क्लॉथ कॉस्ट इज रुपीज 3600, find the cost of 16 meter of cloth. See, cost of 20 meter cloth is given 3600. Therefore, cost of 1 meter cloth means 3600 divided by 20. 1 0 cancel. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Here 6 16. 2 8s are 16. This 0 as it is means 180 rupees. And you can find the cost of 16 meter cloth. Cost of 16 meter cloth means 16 multiply by cost of 1 meter cloth. 1 meter cloth is 180 means 60 multiply by 16 multiply by 180 means rupees 2880. Next question, find the cost of 8 kg of rice if cost of 10 kg rice is 325 rupees. What is given? Cost of 10 kg rice is rupees 325. First we will find out the cost of 1 kg rice, means 325 divided by 10. 325 divided by 10 means 3.25 rupees. 3 rupees 25 paisa. And you can find out the cost of 8 kg rice, means 8 multiply by cost of 1 kg rice means 3.25, and their multiplication is 260.0 means rupees 260, means cost of 8 kg rice is 260 rupees. Next, if 14 chair cost is rupees 5992, how much will have to pay for 12 chairs? What is given? Cost of 14 chair is 5992. First find the cost of one chair. How to find cost of one chair? 5992 divided by 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 fours are 56. Now here 3. 14 twos are 28, and now 14 eights are. Means cost of one chair is rupees 428. Now you can find out the cost of 12 chairs, means 12 multiplied by cost of one chair 428, and their multiplication is 5000 rupees 5136, means cost of 12 chair is rupees 5136. The weight of 30 boxes is 6 kg. What is the weight of 1080 such boxes? What is given? Weight of 30 boxes is 6 kg. First find out the weight of one box. Weight of one box means 6 divided by 30. Give here 0 means 0 point 31s are 30, 32s are 60. Means weight of one box is 0.2. gram. Now weight of 1080 boxes. 1080 multiplied by weight of one box means 0.2. Their multiplication is 216.0 means 216 kg means weight of 1080 boxes is 260. Next question. A car traveling at a uniform speed covers a distance of 165 km in 3 hours at the same speed. How long will it take to cover a distance of 330 km? And second question, how far will it travel in 8 hours? Distance covered in 3 hours is given 165 km. Distance covered in 1 hour means 165 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Again here 1 is remaining means 15. 3 fives are 15. Means distance covered in 1 hour is equal to 55 km. Now what you have to find? First, how long will it take to cover a distance 330 km? 330 km distance covered. See, in 1 hour how many distance covered? 55 km. That's why 330 divided by 55. 55, 11 5s are 55, 11 3s are 33. This 0 as it is. Again 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30. Means 330 km distance covered in 6 hours. Second question, how far will it travel in 8 hours? 8 hours distance covered is equal to distance covered in 1 hour is 55 km. In 8 hour means 8 multiplied by 55 means 440 km. Next question, a tractor uses up 12 liters of diesel while ploughing 3 acres of land. How much diesel will be needed to plough a 19 acres of land? Ploughing 3 acres of land, 12 liters diesel is needed. This information is given. See here, 12 liters diesel is ploughing in 3 acres area. Therefore, ploughing 1 acre of land means 12 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Means for ploughing 1 acre of land, it requires 4 liter diesel. Here what you have to find the 19 acres of land. For 19 acres of land, diesel is required. For 1 acre, it requires 4 liter. For 19 acres, 19 multiplied by 4. 19 multiplied by 4 means 76 liter diesel is required for 19 acres of plot land. Next, at a sugar factory, 5,376 kg of sugar can be obtained from 48 tons of sugar cane. If Savita Tai has grown 50 tons of sugar cane, how much sugar will be it yield? For 48 tons of sugar cane, how much sugar is obtained? 5,376 kg sugar is obtained. First write down, from 48 tons of sugar cane, 5,376 kg sugar is obtained. First we will find from 1 ton how many sugar is obtained. From 1 ton of sugar cane, 5,376 divided by 48. Means 112 kg sugar is obtained from 1 ton of sugar cane. For 50 ton of sugar cane, from 1 ton 112 kg sugar is obtained. Means 50 multiplied by 112 means 5,600 kg sugar is obtained from 50 ton of sugar cane. Next, in an orchard there are 128 mango trees in 8 rows. If all the rows have an equal number of trees, how many trees would be there in 13 rows. In 8 rows, number of mango trees are 120. In 1 rows, the number of mango trees, total trees divided by rows. Total trees are 128 divided by rows are 8. Means 128 upon 8 means 16 trees are there in 1 row. Here how many rows are given? 13 rows are given. In 13 rows, the number of mango trees, 13 multiply by, in 1 rows 16 trees are there, means 13 multiply by 16 is equal to 208, means 208 trees are there in 13 rows. Next question. A pond in a field holds 1,20,000 liters of water. It cost 18,000 rupees to make a such pond. How many ponds will be required to store 4,80,000 liters of water, and what would be the expense? Here number of ponds required to store 1,20,000 liters of water is equal to 1 pond. मीन्स एक पॉन्ड में कितना लीटर वाटर बैठ सकता है? 1,20,000 लीटर. नंबर ऑफ पॉन्ड्स रिक्वायर्ड टू स्टोर, हमें कितना पानी स्टोर करना है? 4,80,000 लीटर्स. Number of ponds required to store 4,800 liters of water. Means 4,80,000 divided by 1,20,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 are cancel. What is remaining? 48 upon 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 fours are 48. Means for storing 4,80,000 liters of water, we require 4 ponds. And here you also find the expense incurred for 1 pond. 1 pond means एक pond बनाने के लिए हमें कितने रुपीज लगते हैं? 18,000 रुपीज. तो हमें ऐसे कितने ponds बनाने पड़ेंगे? 4. Means expense incurred for 4 ponds is equal to 4 multiplied by 18,000. 18 fours are 72 and these 3 0 as it is. Means for incurring 4 ponds we required 72,000 rupees. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.